fertile soils. Since large parts of India have these two soils, we cannot remove it, we cannot leave it lying useless. And India being an agricultural country, we have found methods to utilize even the infertile soils also. So, now these are the 4 varieties which you have to study in great detail. The book which has been prescribed contains every feature of these soils. And the assignment I want to set for you is preparing a chart with the help of the book, getting all the details. Now the advantage is learning from the book, from big paragraphs on the pages, all the facts you tend to get confused. The same facts, if you prepare a chart for yourself, you can remember it much easily. So this is how I want you to prepare a chart. The headings of the columns are very important. We start with the name of the soil, then formation. The third column will include the areas where the soil is found. Now, the fourth column will be a bigger column. The heading of the column, you can write features, or you can also write characteristics. Now this very broad column, make it a broad column, divide it into 2 parts. On one side, make it as A, will be physical features, and part B will be chemical features. And the last column, the heading will be crops. Which all crops are grown on which soil? You've got all the columns. Now we begin with the first soil, that is alluvial soil, the most important soil. I just give you the example and initiate the chart for you, the table for you. Now, process of formation for alluvial soil, you will write in this column river action. It is formed by river action. And you can write the words erosion, transportation, and deposition by rivers. And deposition by rivers. The main areas where alluvial soil is found is, you can write it along river banks and plains. Now, we do get questions asking the areas within India. So, this is generalized areas. Anywhere in the world, they are found along the banks of rivers, along the floodplains made by the rivers. But specially in India, we will write the names of Ganga Plain,